Hi, I'm Erik Linask, coming to you from Interop in Las Vegas again, and I'm sitting here with Siemens Vice President of Product Management of the Video Solutions Business Unit at Siemens, Jason Macres. Jason, welcome. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Erik.
That's quite a title.
Yeah, mouthful.
So as I said, you work on the video side at Siemens, and I know you were telling me that you've recently added some video components to your OpenScape solution set.
Right. The product line is OpenScape Video, and it's an enhancement to our OpenScape suite of products, which includes the unified communications piece as well as the voice piece. So we've added video as a media associated with that, and it gets incorporated into the unified communications piece. Rather than introducing video as a standalone island of video communications, it's a holistic part of the overall enterprise communications offering.
Now, what drove Siemens' decision to add the video element? Is it customer demand?
Yeah, customers now are coming to look at video as a way to reduce travel costs. That's been ongoing the last few years here, as well as just the availability of video in terms of the display sizes have grown. The bandwidth availability to do high definition video now has really redefined what video conferencing means today. The video conferencing of today's its worst enemy is the video conferencing of yesterday. We've had a lot of false starts in the industry for the last, actually, if you look at it, it's been 45 years since AT&T introduced the video phone at the World's Fair in New York, and that it's a long time for a product to come to maturation.
Sure.
However, today we've got bandwidth that's available. We've got the processing technologies and the codecs, the video codecs. We've got displays that are affordable. Now we can build a desktop unit, a conference room unit that is on par in terms of cost with a one-time trip to Europe, for example, a transatlantic trip. So in the $4,000 to $6,000 range, you can get away with a system installed in a conference room or a desktop or a teleworker's office. Push that even further, you can go to the desktop now and get to PC-based, the Intel PCs, Mac PCs are driving technology. It's allowing us to do high-definition codec natively in the devices. That may not be something we can do today, but just wait 12 months, 24 months, and we'll start to see high-definition video codecs added to that list. So from any desktop in the organization, we can reach an endpoint in a conference room. We can reach a PSTN phone because we can directly interface via voice only by incorporating the endpoint into the unified communication offering again.
Now, you alluded to the number of players already in the video communication space, particularly video conferencing market. What are your plans for interoperability with some of those products?
Yeah, the product. You go back to the name of the product. It's OpenScape, and Siemens, selected that name very carefully because we believe in an open SIP environment. First of all, open standards, and in particular SIP. So we're working towards introducing vendors out there and services out there that are complying with the open standards to play in the field. So we will work with the industry leaders in the endpoint and the infrastructure, as well as adding our own products in the voice space and the unified communication space, and deliver services that we offer and partner services. So it's a combination, a two-pronged approach of our products and services with products and services from our partners, as well as the service-oriented solutions that we offer to wrap those products and services around.
That's a little different approach than some of the vendors out there still are taking. The end users, the businesses, have certainly adopted a multi-vendor approach, but I'm not sure that all of the vendors out there have really done that yet.
Yeah, and we've seen from Siemens, and as we go out and we roll out, especially with our global footprint and our delivery, that we're seeing a lot of global RFPs that require a multi-vendor support environment. So we can't mandate that a large organization use a particular vendor's endpoint, simply because in various regions, whether it be EMEA, APAC, Latin America, North America, those decisions on a vendor selection has been made in the region. Yet the overall, the overlay of the unified communications is global. So they're saying at the deployment level, we need you, Siemens, to service professional services, managed services, and hosted services for the products we've already deployed, plus the new wave of products that we plan to deploy. So hence, our open strategy is one that we feel very confident will be a successful one as we roll it out.
But that's also a nice source of recurring revenue for you too, being
Absolutely.
able to do that.
Right. So it is, again, it's we're representing products in the market, but the services and the ongoing video in the video sphere.
So one last thing, you've got obviously the room solutions, video conferencing solutions are really becoming quite popular. What's the interest level like for you mentioned desktop or personal video conferencing?
It's picking up. A lot of the users coming in from entering the workforce now, the younger generation certainly have been more accustomed to consumer unified communications, Skype at this point, Google, with voice and then video acceleration or graduation of a call, graduation up through the media types. And so we're seeing more and more of that now. And so at the deployment level, we see high growth potential for desktop. Of course, that creates challenges for the IT, the deployment of the network. When you talk especially about high definition video to the endpoint, to the desktop, we need to worry about video call admission control. When do you deliver a video busy signal? Not everybody's going to be able to utilize the video channel all at once if the enterprise bandwidth, not only the LAN, but especially the WAN links going towards corporate data centers are oversubscribed. So we expect bandwidth to be, need to be kept in check, and the control around that bandwidth, that is the call admission, the soft switch technologies that allows admission to a video call to be graceful.
Good. So certainly a lot of exciting implications, and it's an exciting market to be in.
Very early, yes. Thanks.
We've been chatting here at Interop with Jason Macres from Siemens. Jason, thanks a lot for joining us.
Thank you, Eric.